Following the announcement that Opel will revive GSe as a new sub-brand for dynamic, electrified models, the brand with the Blitz released advance information and images of the first new GSe models, the new Opel Astra GSe and the new Opel Astra Sports Tourer GSe. As state-of-the-art plug-in hybrids, available as Astra Sports Tourer Estate as well as Astra 5-door hatchback, the newcomers will offer the optimum balance between ride comfort and performance-oriented handling combined with responsibility for the environment. The new Astra GSe and new Astra Sports Tourer GSe are the ideal cars for launching our dynamic new sub-brand in full alignment with our strategy to become an all-electric brand by 2028, said Opel CEO, Florian Hoodle. With an impressive system power output of 165 kilowatts per 225 horsepower and maximum torque of 360 Nm, the new Astra GSe and Astra Sports Tourer GSe will match the best in their respective classes for launch from a standstill, acceleration, and maximum speed. In addition, the newcomers will set a new benchmark for driver engagement. In comparison to their Astra siblings, the GSe models are even more agile and even more precise. The steering, suspension and brakes respond immediately and predictably to every driver input. The German carmaker has achieved the performance-oriented handling characteristics by equipping the new Opel Astra GSe models with a dedicated chassis, lowered by 10 mm. Compared with their immediate rivals, the newcomers will deliver superior stability during cornering, under braking and, like every Opel, while driving at high speed on the Autobahn. The sporty calibration of the steering is GSe specific, while the unique springs and oil-filled dampers of the front and rear suspension are specially tuned not only for dynamic driving but also for comfort. The dampers feature Koni frequency selective damping technology, which enables different damping characteristics at high frequencies, suspension control, versus low frequencies, body control. The ESP settings are also exclusive to GSe models, with the activation threshold adjusted upwards to match the dynamic driving behavior. Purposeful, bold and pure Astra design plus signature GSe styling cues. The new generation Opel Astra is a bold and pure design statement for the brand. The signature styling cues of the GSe give it an even more purposeful appearance. From the outside, the design of the 18-inch light alloy wheels, inspired by the acclaimed, all-electric Manta GSe concept, the specific front bumper and fascia, and the GSe emblem on the tailgate, leave no doubts as to the dynamic GSe character. Inside, the sporty ambitions are highlighted by the Alcantara-trimmed performance front seats. They are not only unique to the GSe, they further extend Opel's long-standing reputation for superior seat ergonomics, especially in the Astra's compact class, thanks to the AGR certification. The Opel GSe label was traditionally an abbreviation of Grand Sport Einspritzung, Grand Sport Injection, as on the Opel Commodore GSe and the Opel Monza GSe. GSe is now Opel's top-of-the-range, sporty sub-brand, standing for Grand Sport Electric. By combining fun-to-drive values with the option of locally emissions-free mobility, Opel GSe models will redefine the performance zeitgeist.